Continue on CNC Group Break number 1530. We got SBA 1112 and Titanium 1112. All right. I'm feeling a cool 3-color pattern here. I don't know who, but that is what my gut tells me. Rookie extended for the Flyers, Zach Ronaldo. Again, I'll just name them all off. I won't say them all. Keith Kincaid for the New Jersey Devils. Harry Sateri for the San Jose Sharks. TJ Brennan for the Buffalo Sabres. David Clarkson is definitely not one of them. Base. Kevin Marshall for the Flyers. Carl Klingberg for the Winnipeg Jets. Hollow Effects for the Nashville Predators, Craig Smith. Hollow Effects for the Anaheim Ducks, Devontae Smith-Pelly. Autograph for the Vancouver Canucks, Jan Sauve. Future Watch autograph, Jan Sauve. Matt Reed for the Flyers, rookie extended. David Ulstrom for the Islanders, rookie extended. SP Essentials for the Vancouver Canucks, Roberto Luongo. Future Watch autograph for the Philadelphia Flyers, number to 999, Sean Couturier. Sean Couturier, Future Watch autograph. That's a good one. For the Carolina Hurricanes, sign of the times, Drayson Bowman. Drayson Bowman for the Carolina Hurricanes. Base. Base. Roman Horak for the Calgary Flames. SP Essentials for the Los Angeles Kings, Anze Kopitar. Corey Trupp for the Buffalo Sabres. Brett Connolly for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Vice. Simone Desprez for the Pittsburgh Penguins. And a Future Watch for the Edmonton Oilers, Milan Kitnar. Now on to Titanium. Start off for the Philadelphia Flyers, James Van Riemsdyk, game-worn gear. For the Buffalo Sabres, number to 300, Jason Pominville and Jordan Leopold, dual game-worn gear. Mark, probably not. I think this is the last break of the night. I got a lot of stuff to catch up on. Ooh, that is dirty. Dirtiness there. We have a Hat-Tricks triple patch for the Boston Bruins, numbered 6 of 15. Cam Neely, Rick Middleton, Rogie Vachon. 6 of 15. Absolutely dirty patch. That thing is a beauty. Absolute beauty. For the Dallas Stars, number 2/100, Philip Larson, game used jersey and auto. For the Anaheim Ducks, Nick Bonino. More coming up right after this.